Because in FA1 exam you have to mean the fair book only. Very soon FA1 exam will be there. I guess you got the timetable, right? You saw the timetable or not?
Yes,
Everyone.
ma'am. 31st date.
Huh. From 31st July means I don't remember which is your first paper, but I guess next to next maths paper is there.
English.
Huh. So if you will maintain the fair book, then while revising everything during the FA1 exam, you don't have to find the PDF then. You can just revise from your fair book also. So that's why I just maintain it. And yesterday I had given this puzzle, but I guess even this is also hard for you, maybe. So
मैम
I'm
मैम
hint
मैंने तो कल ही सॉल्व कर डाला था मैम, आपके सामने मैम।
तब मैं बोल
you should send me, but let me give one hint. I'm just giving one hint to you.
मैम आपके पर्सनल पर्सनल में मैं क्यों या रोहन सर के,
What?
मैं आपको सेंड कर दूं या रोहन सर को?
These puzzles you have to send me only. Homework you have to send him.
ओके मैम।
If I give
मैम वो
any
क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो चुका है मेरा.
puzzles you have to send me only. But other homework, like if any exercise, if I'm giving any notes I'm giving regarding fair book, then you have to submit to Rohan sir only.
ओके मैम.
मेरा तो मैम मेरा तो कल ही हो गया था।
Okay, so then on also I'm just giving the hint so that you can try one more time. Here you can use point decimal numbers also. Decimal numbers means I'm just showing. Suppose it's 13. This one is 13. So suppose if I say 9.5 plus 3.5. So what will be the total of this? 9.5 plus 3.5. You can add in horizontally also or vertically.
मुझे पजल का आंसर बता
3.5.
दो तो बताता हूँ.
9.5 plus 3.5. So do addition with me. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then 0 down, 1
सर
carry. Then,
मैम 13 की जगह वाले पे ऊपर पे 4 नीचे 9.
मैम
let me speak. Actually, yesterday I didn't give you hint. Okay, you can use decimal numbers because if you will not use decimal number, then maybe you will not get answer. So you can use decimal number like you can write 3.5 here, 9.5 here. Then also what total you will get 13 only, right? Then in
यस मैम।
3.5, how many you will add? So you will get 8. That you can do 8 minus 3.5, then you will get the answer. So this is just hint I have given. Then now it's up to you how to solve. Now I guess yesterday we have finished this question 1. So everyone has completed, no? Question 1.
यस मैम.
And other also other everyone, no? You have also finished, no? Other all the students. Question 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Whose
Finish.
turn has not come for the captain? Please write your name in the chat box. And then Charan, I mean, you just read their name no, so that I can
मैम
see.
अवेलेबल ही नहीं है मैम।
What? Available
मैम
नहीं?
वो
Team
लोग
is not
मस्ती कर
available.
रहे था इसलिए अवेलेबल ही नहीं था.
I guess you are just always misbehave and just write some extra message. That's why they do this.
मैम तो मैं चूज करूं मैम आज.
But you just select
मैम मैं करूँ मैम?
Rohan. I told to
मैम
him.
मेरा टर्न था ना.
मैम
मैम
मेरे को
कैप्टन था
तो
ना.
दिखा रहा है चैट बॉक्स.
But
जी
in
जी मैं.
let me speak. You don't speak and mute your mic also. I guess
मैम मैं
someone.
कैप्टन था ना वो.
Whoever is asking me about that, so I guess downside in the chat box, downside only, it is written that can't available something. Whenever it's off from here, from computer lab, then that kind of thing will be written. Sometime be off because you write some extra message in the chat box.
हाँ मैम ये एक्स्ट्रा मैसेज लोल ऐसा सब है इंग्लिश वर्ड मीडियम है ना मैम इसमें
हाँ
वार्निंग भी दी अंडरस्कोर है चालन याको देखो मैम आपको मैं सुनाता हूँ
नहीं. Afterward. Let's complete this
लास्ट
because
वार्निंग दी है मैम इसलिए
वेरी सुन एग्जाम विल बी देयर. फिर एग्जाम में थोड़ी ना ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होंगे भाई कि किसको वार्निंग दी थी, क्या हुआ था. So it's better के we will concentrate here because this question will be asked, not that question, right? Mainly give me name for reading heading.
मैम अली मेहंदी लाखानी
Okay, Lakhani Ali Mehndi, do you want to read heading?
Yes.
हाँ, read.
Runs to the
Nearest.
nearest 100.
Okay, very good. So this question is different from question one. In question one, the heading was round to the nearest 10. So we have seen that which number has 1 0, but here we have to see which number has 2 0. Because in 100 also, how many zeros are there? In 100,
2
2 0.
2 0
That's why we will see that here this is our whose mic is this? Mute
मैम
the
जनरली
whoever's mic is this, mute the mic. Let me complete. So this question number 1A 649. The same question I have written here 649. Now we have to see before number. Okay, before 649, which number has 2 0? Before 649. Huh? So you can just think before 649, 648, then 647, 46, 45, 44, 43. That way, which number has 2 0? So just think, I'm giving 1 minute.
600.
6
But next time directly
600
don't say the answer because I have given time to other student ताकि दूसरे student भी सोच सके answer. So who gave the answer 600?
Nurul Abba.
600
Good. So those who have given this answer, their answer is right. Now Charlie name and give me next name. I will ask personally only.
रूहान
Whose name?
रूहान
Ruhan, you tell me. This is our question. So
yes
in four numbers, this is the number which has 2 0. Now you have to tell me after number which has 2 0. After 649, like 650, 651, 652, 653. Okay. Which number has?
700
Very good. 700.
मैम
Yes.
ये तो रूहान को ही बोल रहा है 2 बार वो आंसर दिया मैम
No, I guess one answer that Nurul gave, no? And at that time he doesn't select the name. And for
तो
heading,
मैंने रूहान क्यों बोला
what?
तो रूहान क्यों बोला
अनस एक तो तू कल लीव हो गया था आधे लेक्चर से इसलिए आप तो बोलो ही मत.
मैम ऐसा बोल रहा है हेडिंग भी बोला और आंसर भी दिया
Wait. Reading, I guess, heading that Ali Mehndi Lakhani, he read.
वो भी मैंने सुना ये 600 और 700 वाला वो उसने दिया
एक मिनट 600 के टाइम मैंने एक स्टूडेंट
600 में दीदी तू
हाँ Nurul gave the answer. And by the way, when you leave half lecture yesterday, Anas, कल क्यों आधे से लीव हो गया था? अनस तेरे समझ
लास्ट लेक्चर था ना
he will give the answer because उसके जब क्वेश्चन के आंसर मैंने दिए अब मेरे क्वेश्चन के आंसर वो भी देगा. Anas, give the answer. I have also given the answer of your.
नाश्ता कर रहा था इसलिए
Oh ho. क्या करना है इसमें? Okay. So next time you can do that. You can use a spoon. Spoon use करते करते आप पढ़ सकते हो. तो फिंगर भी यूज कर सकते हो, मतलब मोबाइल टच करना हो कुछ भी. You can use a spoon to eat. Okay.
मैम मैं बिना स्पून के भी कर सकता हूँ, टच भी कर
मैं भी।
सकता हूँ.
That we will discuss later. What are your tricks? Now let's concentrate here only. This is our question. Now you have to think that our question is near to which number? This number or this number? So everyone will think.
700.
Array, I said nobody will say the answer. Just think. So first everyone think that our question is near to which number? Our question is 649. So 649
मैम
is,
इक्वल.
array, no one will say the answer. Whatever is your opinion, keep it with you. And Janani Amendi, give me next name.
600.
That student,
Anas.
whose name you said?
Anas.
Anas. Okay. Anas, you say, right now you are not eating, no? Taking breakfast. Anas, are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
eating right now?
What?
You are not eating, no, right now?
Yes, sir. I am not eating.
Okay.
11 o'clock.
Oh, means your timing of breakfast is that.
मैम मैं भी लास्ट लेक्चर पे.
हाँ मैं
स्कूल
भी
के हिसाब
लास्ट
से।
लेक्चर.
हाँ, but at least
मैम मैं भी लास्ट लेक्चर में.
हाँ, पर अटेंड करते करते खा सकते हो. बट आप
अटेंड करते करते ही
मैम मैं
मैम.
अटेंड
मैं
करते ही
भी
खाता हूँ.
अटेंड
अटेंड
कर
करते ही.
मैं भी ऐसा ही करता
देखा
हूँ.
मैम,
हाँ,
मैं भी अटेंड अटेंड
हाँ,
करते
that is good. But leaving the lecture and eating that is not good. हाँ, so
से खाते देख लो, पता नहीं आता.
ले, हर चीज में मजा लेना होता है. तो एक काम कर सकते हो, that you can eat before 8 o'clock or after 11 directly after finishing the lecture. अब पढ़ने के लिए कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा, राइट?
मैं भी
इसलिए
ऐसा ही करता हूँ. ब्रश करके फिर नाश्ता कर लेता हूँ. फिर 11 बजे फिर से करता हूँ. मैं
बोर्ड आया हमारा, बोर्ड आया.
unless I
बोर्ड
have
आया हमें तो.
वो हर वो
बस
मैं आंसर दे रहा हूँ.
हाँ, you can say it is close to which number? 649 है, वो 600 से करीब है कि 700 से करीब है?
600 से.
600
से करीब.
yes.
मैम मैं बोल रहा हूँ 700 से करीब है.
uh,
600.
700 से करीब है.
मैम 600 से.
हाँ, because gap between is only 49 and gap between these two is 51. That's why. So answer is 600.
मैम इक्वल नहीं हुआ दोनों में.
अरे 650 हो ना तो इक्वल होता है 650. You can just see the gap कि 600 649 के बीच में कितना गैप है? 49 नंबर्स का, राइट?
49 का.
और इन दोनों के बीच में 51 का. You can subtract 700 minus 649, so you will
मैम
get 51.
मैम
हाँ,
can you back in few minutes?
हाँ, and who was asking?
Ali Raza Shaman.
Yes. So copy this and try next one. In the next one also the same way. You have to see the question and you have to see which number has 20, means before 5325. उससे पहले suppose 500 300 5324 फिर 5300.
300.
ए भाई बोलना नहीं है. No rule every time the same thing I have to say कि भाई आंसर मत बोल. So everyone just try and copy that up one and also try. And now directly no one will say the answer of any other questions. And today is Wednesday now, so I guess Friday or Saturday I will check the fair book. Means in any lecture, huh? Any proxy lecture I will take, and even Rachita ma'am will also join.
Ma'am, I can't few minutes.
What?
I can't few minutes, ma'am.
And after you finish, please inform me so that we can start answer B.
मैम
And
रफ बुक में लिखना है।
Ma'am, I can't few minutes, ma'am.
if you are confident about your answer is right only, then you can try directly in the fair book. तो directly fair book में try कर सकते हो, but suppose that if you are not confident about your answer, then first in rough book.
मैम आप इसकी पीडीएफ भेजोगे? मैं हमेशा अपनी फेसबुक में याद
Ma'am,
रखती। मैम आप इसकी पीडीएफ भेजोगे?
Yes. And even chapter 2 PDF also, inshallah, I will send in advance so that you can start writing.
ma'am, I can't few minutes, ma'am.
Okay. By the way, how many students are trying so that I can know that who are interested in copy paste and who are interested in trying? Nobody is trying, it means
मैम आई एम ट्राइंग।
name.
वीरानी मोहम्मद अब्बास।
Okay. Then who else is trying?
Ma'am, I am also trying.
Okay, Farhan, no?
Yes.
Okay. And other students, those who are not trying and just interested in copy paste.
मैम मैं फेसबुक में लिख चुका।
Okay. So those who are just interested in copy paste, I think so with copy paste you will not understand. Okay, you understood or not, where is your mistake, so that you can improve, so that you can correct. So please try so that you can understand. Otherwise, I can directly write the answer and then I can tell you to copy. Then I will not waste my time like this.
आपने आंसर लिख दिया है?
Only of A, B, C that you have to try. Answer of A I have written, means we have only solved.
Okay.
And even mute the mic after you ask me question, after your doubt, everything will be solved. Because you are forgetting to mute the mic.
जल्दी लिखाओ।
But other students are not saying that whether they finish or not.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Okay. Now we are not.
मेरा नहीं हुआ।
मैम मैंने आंसर मैच कर लिया, मेरा सही है।
Wow, very advanced. Good. And now we are starting next one. So Charani, may you give me next name?
मैम नेक्स्ट नेम इज फरहान रजा।
Farhan, you can see that this is our question 5325. So in before number, which is the closest number which has two zeros? You can think like 5324, 5323, 5322. These are the before number of this. 5324. Then 23. Then 22. That way you can think and just see that which has two zeros.
मैम
Yes.
5300.
Yes, 5300. Because when you will see before numbers of this, so you will get 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17,
टेंस
15.
और 1 के वैल्यू निकाल देने।
Yes, very good. Now next name.
name is Virani Muhammad Abbas.
Repeat no.
मैम
What is
हमको भी ऐसे हवा में लिखना है?
Virani Muhammad Abbas.
Hava mein? I said that day also I'm writing with my finger and even I means my finger is hurted.
मैम हवा में कैसे लिख?
But you are writing with a pen, no? And not even on the mobile in the book. So obviously you are writing by hand.
मैम तेरे बुक में क्वेश्चन लिख डाला है 685 अब बीच लिखा है 2 सेकंड पहले
You can write in
अभी
this much.
लिख के बाकी है
You can write in this much space also.
ओके
I said no, I write with my finger and that was on mobile screen. So it's difficult to write.
wrong 5
And next, whose name you said? Saranya Mendi.
Virani Muhammad Abbas.
Virani Muhammad Abbas. And whose mic is this? Please mute the mic.
Hafsa Ganiani. Mike.
Whoever's mic is this, mute the mic.
Hafsa
Because
Ganiani is.
yes. And Virani Muhammad Abbas, now your turn. You tell me that in after numbers, means after 5325, which number has 20? You can think like that also, okay? Gap of 100 after 5300. वीरानी मोहम्मद अब्बास 5300 के बाद 100 के गैप में कौन सा नंबर आता है?
Hasan camera off कर.
Okay, next name he is not giving.
Hafsa Ganiani. Hafsa Ganiani.
मैं आंसर दो मेरे तो 12 भी नहीं आई
Hey, whose mic is this? Mute your mic. And Afsha Banyani, that ID. Whose ID is that?
Zaki Hasan Virani.
So now shall I remove you? Those who are not muting the mic. We can really
Yes,
remove
ma'am.
it. You also know. So please mute the mic. And even permanently I can remove you from here, but I don't want to do that. That's why I am not removing you right now. So Ganyani of something that ID. Whose ID is that?
मैम इस
Whose ID is that?
मैम 5330 वो क्वेश्चन नहीं है उसके नीचे लिखने वाला है
उससे नीचे लिखने वाला है.
ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है
नहीं, this is the question.
उसके नीचे वाला मैंने क्वेश्चन को कट करके वो लिख डाला 5300
Oh, you thought that not this is the question, but this is the question.
हाँ मुझे पता था ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन है मुझे लगा ये क्वेश्चन नकली है भूल से लिखा गया है तो इसलिए आपने बदल दिया क्वेश्चन को
No, no, no.
5300
Okay, next name Charanya Mendi because that Ganyani is not giving answer. And
Virani
those,
Zaki Hasan. Virani Zaki Hasan.
yes, Zaki, you can answer that which number will come, which has 2 zeros and which comes after this and the gap of 100 of this.
मैम 5400
5400. Very good. And this number is 325. So 350 comes here. Then 375 comes here. It means 325 comes here. So now let's see that it belongs to which number.
मैं दो आंसर कब से नहीं दिया
Nurul, but first one you can
50 530 5, 3, 2, 1 मैं बोल दूंगा आंसर, मेरे से ना रहे तो
ले
बोल दिया, वो बोल दिया इसलिए बोला। मेरा नहीं टक्की।
I know he said the answer. Zaki, next time don't directly say the answer because I want to ask some student because they are not giving the answer. No, that's why. And those who are not
अच्छा
giving,
रोशन मैम उसे तो पूछो।
wait. And those who are not giving the answer, I will really call, your parents, and I will ask them that why they are not giving the answer. Means they are joining and doing their activity, or they are roaming, or what. So please give the answer. At least say that I don't know. Then I will not force you. Simple. And Charya, the next name.
There is it.
Dairy Z. I know yesterday you were absent, so you don't know what is nearest. Nearest means closest. इसके सबसे पास है. Our question. Our question is this, and these are multiple of 100. These both ends. And you have to tell me कि ये किसके पास है ये question. Dairy Z. I have explained you. Now give the answer. Z.
मैम आई डोंट नो।
I am explaining, no? Okay, this is the two questions which I have written, means two options,
यस
5300 और 5400. ये जो है ना वो क्वेश्चन है, तो ये क्वेश्चन किसके पास है, मतलब किससे कम गैप है, 5300 या 5400? कौन सा नंबर उसके सबसे पास है क्वेश्चन से? क्वेश्चन है 5325.
300 ए 5003।
हाँ, 5300. This number is nearest. So that is our answer. And Z, Dere Z, try to join the lecture every day
भेजोगे? यस मैम।
because there are so many students who attend the lecture regularly. Like Zaki also attend regularly. Then Farhan, then Nurul, then Ruhan. There are so many students who join regularly. So you
आंसर
also join regularly.
Many joined.
Hi, even Z, Anas also joins, but just
मैम
leave.
आंसर तो लिख दें दो।
ए मैं कभी लीव नहीं होता।
हाँ.
मैं भी।
Now copy this answer, those who want to copy. Then we will start the next one.
मैम मेरा सही हो गया।
मैं लिख डालूं अपनी
Uh,
मर्जी से।
you can do in advance if you are confident about your answers. Then
मैम
there
मेरा
is
सही हो
चल
गया
डालती
और
हूँ,
चेक
चलो।
भी कर लिया टेक्स्ट बुक में से।
okay. So now next name for next question.
असर हुसैन।
Asar Hussain.
मैम वो तो है ही नहीं।
Next name.
मोहम्मद रजा केशवानी।
Okay. Keshwani Mohammad Raza.
यस
मैम
मैम।
So Keshwani Mohammad Raza, this is our
मैम वो
question.
केशवानी मोहम्मद रजा नहीं आना से।
Anas.
मैम
How?
नेक्स्ट ने मनसी है उसको ही ले लो।
But then also
मैम
Anas.
दो बार मुझे
मैम
एक बार
उसका तो
नहीं
दो
पूछा।
बार मैम मेरा भी दो बार
मैम
नहीं
मेरा
आया।
टर्न नहीं आया रूहान का 2 बार
मुझे
टर्न आ
एक बार
गया।
भी नहीं
मैम
पूछा।
दूसरा
मेरा
मेरा
टर्न
तो
मेरा
दो
टर्न 2
बार।
बार नहीं आया।
मैम दूसरा एक
मोहम्मद
बार
रजा का 2 बार
नहीं
टर्न था मेरा
ठीक
तो
है
2
बोल
बार
रहा
नहीं
हूँ,
आया।
2-3 बार नहीं पूछा तो कोई
आया।
बात
मैम
नहीं,
एक बार
बार
एक
बार
ही
थोड़ी
पूछा
ऐसा
मैम।
होता है। मेरा मैम मेरा ले लो।
Is this the shark market?
मैकेंजी रजा।
Wait,
मैम
mute your
मेरा ले लो।
मुझे
रूहान का ले लो
मुझे
मैम रूहान का।
1, 2, and 3. Now mute your mic, and this is not shark market. You're behaving like that. And I really feel okay, now I'm going to shark market and buying some vegetables, and all the shopkeepers are shouting and saying the price of that and just calling all the customers. I really feel like that when it's so difficult. Have you ever visited? any vegetable market or somewhere, then they shout like this one together. ऐसी
No,
एक
ma'am.
वहाँ पे, and you are also speaking the same way. Now let me speak. Charanya Mendi, only give me their name whose turn has not come, and if everyone's turn has come, suppose then from means on your mobile how it's present, no, all the names line wise. You say their names line wise.
ओके मैम। मैकेंजी
मैम
रजा
मेरा
जुमानी।
नाम आया ही नहीं है कभी भी।
मैम उसका टर्न आ चुका हूँ मैम।
नूरुल,
मैम साथ में नहीं आया, किसी से भी पूछ लो,
सही
मैं
आंसर तू
अपनी
नहीं
मर्जी
दिया।
से बोलता हूँ।
एक मिनट, सबसे पहला आंसर आई गेस तू नहीं, और विदाउट माय
मैम
परमिशन।
नंबर है, उसी ने बोला, नूरुल ने बोला।
नंबर ये राहुल नहीं बोला मैम।
बस, दिस इज नॉट
मैम
इवन।
मैकेंजी रजा जुमानी।
हाँ, so Jumani Mehndi Raza, do you want to say the answer?
यस मैम।
Jumani Mehndi Raza, tell me, this is our question, 6,850. So before this, which number has two zeros?
क्या मैम?
6,850. This is our question. In before number, which number has two zeros?
मैम आपकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है।
That is because of your mic. Because your mic is not working.
मैं
Mute,
आपकी आवाज थोड़ी आ रही है।
mute your mic.
मैम तो भाई।
Mute your mic, Mehndi Raza, because your mic is not working. Because
तो मैम मैं कैप्टन रह जाऊँ?
ले ये जुमानी मेहंदी रजा का माइक वर्क नहीं कर रहा है। चारानिया मेहंदी रजा का तो कर रहा है, ये जुमानी का नहीं कर रहा है। उसके बदले किसी और को मैं बोल रही हूँ। नेक्स्ट नेम चारानिया।
अली अब्बास मिठानी।
ओके, मिठानी अली अब्बास, डू यू नो कि आफ्टर बिफोर इन द बिफोर नंबर, बिफोर 6,850, which number has two zero, like 6,800? मिठानी अली अब्बास, 6,850 से पहले कौन से नंबर आते हैं? 6,849, राइट? देन 6,848, फिर 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, वैसे ऐसे बिफोर चलते जाते कौन से नंबर आते हैं?
मैम as per
नेक्स्ट नेम।
मैम नेक्स्ट नेम इज नूरुल अब्बास।
ओके,
सबका टर्न आ गया।
हाँ, नाउ नूरुल।
मेरा बाकी है।
मैम मेरा टर्न, मेरा भी नहीं आया टर्न कभी।
400।
Veda, I'm again repeating the question. This is our question 6,850. तो
कौन
उससे
सी
दिस वाला
6000? यहाँ पे तो कोई है ही नहीं।
ये रहा, दिस वन क्वेश्चन।
मैम ये ऊपर वाला ना,
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन
दिस
नंबर ही बाकी
ठीक,
है। सी सॉरी, सी बाकी है अभी।
यस।
सी हुआ ही नहीं आपकी, आपके में भी देखो, आपके में भी नहीं हुआ, वहाँ पे भी। आपकी
Then
लाडी
take
पे
it to
पहुंच
the
गए।
next one, because
मैम
Govani Hassan's turn has also not come. So let me ask him. Hassan, you can say Govani Hassan. That is only no your name.
यस मैम।
I
मैम
some
बट क्वेश्चन सी है नॉट डी।
अच्छा सी का ही बोल रही हूँ 6,850।
आपका सी दिख ही नहीं रहा।
एट
सॉरी मैम,
हंड्रेड
मैम
मैंने
देख
जूम
रहे हैं
करके रखा
मैम,
था।
झूठा है।
मैंने जूम रखे कर रखा।
दिस वन। हाँ, Hassan, you can say that in before number which number has two zero? Before like 6,850 से पहले 6,849, right? 6,849. Then before that 48, then 47, 46. That way, which number has two zero? 850 से पहले कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जिसमें दो जीरो आते हो? Whether
मैम
it,
मैं।
yes, Hassan, गोवा नहीं Hassan.
यस मैम। गुवानी नहीं मैम, मोहम्मद हूँ। Nope.
That one, who was that? That Goan is something.
मैम
No, my
49 आएगा।
I'm very confused
मैम
with
की
this.
सरनेम अलग है।
Okay, means there are two Hassan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So means what are the surname of both the Hassan? One is Govani, no?
My mob.
Mob Hassan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mob Hassan, you can also give the answer. Then afterward, I will ask to Govani Hassan. If you know the
Yes,
answer, you
ma'am.
can give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Say Mob Hassan. That before 6,000.
Ma'am, 6,800.
Very good. So we all know that which numbers has 20. So it can be whether 700, 800, 900 like that. But 800, that
No, last में 6,900.
less. I was about to ask to the next one, next student, and you only said the answer. Very advanced. Now don't say the answer. Huh? Now Govani Hassan will say. Govani Hassan.
मैम अभी
Yes,
अभी
ma'am.
तो उसने बोला।
So which Hassan was? Mob Hassan was giving answer or that Hassan?
mom.
मैम मैंने नहीं दिया।
Okay. So both the answer that Mob Hassan has only given, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now Govani Hassan, this is our question. So I'm writing the question. Now you tell me that it is close to which number? Means from both the number distance is same or not? मतलब दोनों नंबर से डिस्टेंस सेम है कि नहीं है? Because if you can see other question कि डिस्टेंस सेम नहीं है.
मैम सेम है।
800।
हाँ. So when distance is same, so what you have to do? You have to see next. You have to take the greater one. From 6,800, from 6,900, you have to tell me which is greater. Go on, yes, one.
मैम 6,900।
हाँ, that is
मैम दोनों
greater.
में इक्वल हो ही नहीं सकता ना। इसमें सिर्फ 30 पार्सल ले जाना, इसलिए आंसर होगा 800। दोनों में इक्वल हो ही नहीं सकता।
50-50 का गैप है ना? 50-50 का गैप है. See the gap between these
इसमें
two.
30 पार्सल ले जाना, इसमें
ये
उसमें
30,
70 पार्सल ले जाना पड़ेगा।
ये 50
आगे
है.
सॉरी 70 आगे ले जाना पड़ेगा।
ये 50 है, not 30 or 70. This is 50. So it means कि from here also gap है.
मुझे 30 लग रहा था, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कब से।
ना 50. So gap is same. That's why we will write the greater number, which is 6,900. Now next question also, I don't think so now. I mean anyone's turn is left. और किसी की टर्न बाकी है?
मेरी बाकी है।
मैं बाकी है।
टेल मी ऑनेस्टली, तुम दोनों का तो टर्न आ ही जाता है, तुम लोग बोल ही डालते हो सब कुछ, टर्न आता है कि नहीं?
हाँ बोल ही डालूंगा, देख लो।
ना
मैम
अभी
तो वो
नहीं.
टीचर ये था।
Let me, and
नहीं
today
बाकी
Bhojani Gaji is not present, no? Otherwise he is also
नो
writing.
मैम नहीं है प्रेजेंट।
आज वो नहीं है. हाँ. So we are doing next two questions together only. So say together.
तो मैं पहले मैं बाद में चलते
मैम
हैं।
पहले मैं
पहला मैं
14,900.
बोली थी।
Which number has two zeros?
कुछ नंबर 20
14,900
900 मैम 900 कर दो।
900
14,900.
1 4 9 1 सॉरी
900
9 1
हाँ.
9
900
0
In after
and 15,000
yes.
yes
0
हाँ 15,000
Very good, Nurul. Now we will see that our question is close to which.
400
हाँ. 14,000 से करीब है.
सॉरी
This one. So that is our answer.
1 4 5 1 0 1 question answer 1 4 900.
Okay, now these both students have given the answer. Now, is there anyone who wants to give the answer?
मैम गैदर सब गैदर साथ में
हाँ
तुम
मैम।
और कोई तो नहीं दे रहा है।
मैम
मैम
तो फिर से अंदर
उन
दे
लोग
देते
का
हैं,
नहीं
चलो
देना
मैम।
तो हम दे देंगे,
हाँ मैम हम लोग दे देंगे।
हाँ,
हम दोनों दे देंगे।
that before this which number has two zeros or three zeros? But before this which number is
5000।
हाँ 58
हाँ
is
मैम 5800
5800।
then after
5800 मैम अब क्वेश्चन लिख लो।
59000।
हाँ in actual number gap of 100 means
5
59,000.
58,000।
मैम इसमें टॉप लॉस कर दो।
then it is close to which number?
58,000।
Yes 58.
मैम आपने इन सब में कोमा तो रखा ही नहीं है।
ये इंग्लिश से मुश्किल से इतना लिखा जाता है कॉमा कहाँ कर रहे हैं?
तो मैं तो लिख रहा हूँ। ए मैम आंसर कहाँ गए? मुझे लिखना है भी।
हाँ right. But after you finish please tell me so that we can start next. नहीं lecture.
5
So finish first. We will do next.
मैम इस पे PDF
0
भेजोगे?
58100।
Mute the mic and write.
मैम सॉरी मैम।
सॉरी
हो गया आंसर।
Very good. Zaki said
हो
no.
गया कब का? मैंने
मैम
तो
हो गया
चेक
मैम।
करना था और आप तो बदल दिया।
मैम हो गया।
हो गया।
होगा सही है।
हो गया।
And what about
सही
other?
थे एक भी
मैम
सही था। एकदम
मैम डालना
मैम
संख्या मिस not so photo
Yes, of course,
miss
the PDF, but you try to write with me only. मेरे साथ साथ लिखोगे तो
यस
कंप्लीट रहेगी.
वरना भीखे रह जाएंगे।
And who was speaking? Bhojani Gazi was speaking just now.
यस
yes
Then why were you not there in the starting of the lecture? I guess you were not there, right? You have joined.
મારે વારામાં ચક્કરમાં અમારા વારા આવી ગયા, બહુ મજા આવી।
I thought that your turn is also not come, but I guess that you have joined just now. Gazi, try to